Today is June 29, 2012, and this is Roosevelt College, San Mateo. We are now entering the premises of Roosevelt College. Premises of Roosevelt College, San Mateo. Good morning, yes. Ano si principal? Yes, good morning. Ay, good morning. Muna pala yung school para sa website. Muna ko kayo, ha? Video, this is video. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, thank you. Say hi, Batang San Mateo. Closer, come closer. Hello. What's your name?
Marilyn.
Marilyn, check this out in Facebook mamaya. Thank you.
Hello po.
This is Roosevelt, San Mateo. It's recess time. Students are now having their break, and this is June 29, 2012. I'm going to the office of the principal. Okay, some students are working here now. Hello guys, you are live on Batang San Mateo. Say hello. Check this out sa Facebook mamaya, ha? Batang San Mateo. Morning. I'm going to the office of the this is the property office. Yes. And this is the registrar's office. I'm going to the office of the principal now. Morning. Good morning. And this is the way to the office of the principal. We're going to the office of the principal now to check some information about the school. Good morning. This is the view on the second floor of the school. It's recess time, so there goes the students having their break. Bright day, bright sunny day. Good morning, sir. You're live now on Batang San Mateo. Morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Andun po si ma'am.
Kami lagi ang napupunan nyo.
Eh, syempre yung mga... This is for the website ng Batang San Mateo, ma'am.
Website po. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Your name po? Your live...
This is Pe Ermita po.
Say hello to Batang San Mateo.
Hello po. Saan po?
Batang San Mateo.
Hello
Yung
po sa mga
makikita
batang
niyo po ito mamaya sa sa Facebook ng Batang San Mateo.
Facebook po ng bata.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you po na extra pa.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello.
Okay, bye. Go for it.
Hi, hello. How are you?
Hello po,
Good morning.
morning po.
Morning.
Ano kain po tayo?
We are now entering the director's office and the principal's office. Good morning. Good morning. Ano si ma'am?
Andun po.
Okay. We are now in the office of the principal. Good morning.
Morning po. Thank you po.
Okay.